Welcome to your detailing experience with Clean Cars of Collier LLC. My name is Thomas, and this is a Mercedes Benz CLE450 before and after video of our rinseless wash we offer along with a basic interior cleaning. As you could tell, there is dust and pollen all over this vehicle, along with some bird droppings, the wheels with heavy dirt and brake dust, the interior with sand and dust on the floor, seats, console, dashboard, and door panels, along with normal, everyday debris and fingerprints. Our rinseless wash had no problem taking care of this vehicle with its simple, safe, and balanced pH formula. Our client was extremely pleased with the outcome. We have many products in our arsenal. If you have any questions about our services or need to get on our schedule, call me, Thomas, at 239-692-4338 immediately. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.